In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create an account on the PlayStation Store on your PC. So let's just get straight into the video. Open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and head into PlayStation.com. And now you want to simply go ahead and select your region right over here. Click on the sign in on the top right of your screen. And now this is where you want to click on create an account. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on create one more time. And finally, you're going to be taken to this page. You want to simply select your region, you enter your date of birth, click on next, then they're going to ask you for your email. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. And then simply go ahead and enter your email, enter a password that you want to create, and again enter another password or the same password in order to go ahead and verify it, and click on next. They're going to send you a verification link or email to your email address that you just provided, and when you enter that code back into this site, then your account will be created. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.